This video is sponsored by Tenorshare. As you can see, install.deb. Now if we click on this, you will definitely get that. Just hit proceed and there we go. It started backing up tweaks and sources which we earlier backed. So now it is restoring all the tweaks and sources on this device. This tweak will solve your all kind of problem like tweaks are crashing and some of the tweaks which doesn't show up in a setting, but you just want to off that temporarily without uninstalling those tweaks. So this tweak will help you get rid of all that things. Tenorshare for you key to unlock disable iPhone without using iTunes. It unlocks iPhone, Apple ID and lock screen, Touch ID and Face ID. It bypasses iPhone password instantly. You can get Tenorshare for you key software on Mac and Windows. Check out the website link in the description below. Hey guys, today I'm gonna be showing you that how you can unjailbreak your device using Uncover. Before we unjailbreak, I'm gonna be showing you that how you can take backup of your all the tweaks which we already installed, and you just wanna switch from iOS 12 to 13.5, which is latest version. And even if you are on 13.5 and below version and you want to switch to 13.5 without losing your all the tweaks which are you already took, that just don't wanna lose any tweaks from here. So it's a very simple method, and let me show you. If you want to unjailbreak, you can do that even with the checkra, even with the any older version of Uncover, and when you switch to iOS 13.5 you can get back all your tweaks. First thing first, go to the Cydia. In Cydia, go to the search box and just search for Batchomatic. When you see that Batchomatic here, this is from Big Boss repo, which is by default. It will be available inside sources, so no need of installing any additional sources for this. Once it is open, go ahead and hit that install button and just confirm it and just start Springboard. Now if you go to this, you need one more tweak called Filza, and basically you can edit files inside and you can just get back to you. Now go to the Cydia, and that tweak not gonna show up anywhere in the setting and anywhere in the home page. You just need to go to the Cydia, and as you can see, recently installed Batchomatic. It is visible in search option. When you go to the search option, you can see at this corner blue icon, just click on that and there we go, you have this option. Now let's say if you want to create a backup of your all the tweaks and repos which are installed on this mobile, now you can create a .deb online backup for this. So this will save as a .deb file, and when you want to create offline you can do that as well. And then once you backup this, you can get back those from the install.deb. So now to get the backup, you need to go to the create offline or online, it doesn't matter. So let me show you. When you create online.deb, see, it will extract all the files from your device, and you can export this all the tweaks .deb file, and you can save it somewhere on Google Drive or somewhere like you can copy that as well. That will save basically on the files automatically. As you can see, I just created, and let me show you. If you have a Filza on it and if you just unjailbroke this device, but when you re-jailbreak this device using maybe for the latest 13.5 or something, any version you are on, when you unjailbreak this device, these files inside files which we just now took a backup of this, unless you're not clearing all the data from this, these files will be inside Filza if it is there or not. So just now we took the backup and it is installed here, but let me show you. By default this will go in war mobile, and when you see this Batchomatic debs, there we go, it's downloaded inside this Filza. You need to install from here itself, so let me show you that in a quick way. Now we just created online.deb, and you can create offline too if you wanted to. Any one of them you can choose. It's totally your preference. Offline means it will take some time because it's literally creating all the backup. You can get back all the tweaks by offline way. Means if you are not formatting this device, and without formatting, if you are upgrading means mostly no need of taking your backup if you are upgrading this device to any latest version. So safer side, you can take this backup to your Google Drive or somewhere. You should get Batchomatic tweak and you're good to go. You can do this all process by only one tweak. It doesn't matter from where you download this tweak, but it works for all the way. There we go, it's finally created a backup for .dev files, and we can export that as you wish, and even you can copy somewhere in the files are in my case I'm not formatting my device, so that means it will be somewhere inside Batchomatic. So as you can see, it's there, so any one of them we can use. As you can see, physical one means offline mode with it is 70 MB based on my how many tweaks I have installed, and this is 4 KB, that means it's gonna install online. So let's try that out. So once we done that, now I do have an uncover inside, and let me show you how to unjailbreak your device. I'm running on iOS 13.3 right now, and let's say you wanna unjailbreak this device, you want to upgrade to the Checkra1n jailbreak, or maybe you want to upgrade this device to the 13.5 and you want to jailbreak to the latest uncover version. Click on this gear button, just scroll down until you see restore root FS. So once you see that, click on it and just toggle that on, and after that just off this disable updates. Once you've done that, no need of doing anything else, only these 2 steps. Now go to the restore root FS and just hit that. Let's try that out. We need to reboot our device to work around this. If you get that error, just reboot your device and let's try that out. Once the device is on, go to the uncover, still have that restore root FS, put your device on flight mode. There we go, just hit install, and now we'll restore root FS. This may take a while, don't exit the app and don't let the device lock. Click on it. As you can see, this time it's working perfectly. So we just restarted our device and it started working. Now as you can see, notice root FS has been successfully restored. The device will now be restarted. Click on OK. Device will now restart. Once the device is restarted, as you can see, there is no Cydia anywhere. Cydia should be there, because when you jailbreak, you will have that Cydia by default. Like Cydia, basically it will install as a system app, and you can't just simply 3D touch and uninstall that app. You can't do that. You have to restore root FS, means you need to clear totally Cydia things. Cydia will be vanished and your device will be on stock mode again. Now as you can see, and we can completely remove uncover from here. We no longer required. Now you can upgrade your device. Go to the general, and once you see this, I'm on 13.3 right now. Once you this is software update, it definitely should show the software update, and you can switch to just let me on my internet. It's showing software up to date. So there we go. We have 13.5. So there we go, we have 13.5, and we can totally download this and install latest version as you want. Just click on download and it will start downloading that version. So once the setup is completed, I'll get back to you. As you can see guys, this version is now updated to, this mobile is now updated to iOS 13.5, and if you go to the general in about, as you can see, 13.5 version is up to date. So now as you can see, we didn't lose any app inside. All the setting is as it is, because we just simply updated. That's why everything will be there available. I just shown you earlier that we just took the backup of all the tweaks and repos. I'm on iOS stock mode, so there is no jailbreak inside right now, and we didn't jailbreak our device till now. So at this moment you can jailbreak with Checkra1n, or you can jailbreak with Uncover. It doesn't matter, whatever jailbreak you choose. Once you jailbreak your device, you will get the Cydia. Once you have the Cydia, you can install that tweak called Batchomatic. You need one more tweak that called Filesa Manager. I'll just show you. Now I'm going to jailbreak my device with a Checkra1n. Now click on Checkra1n, click on Cydia, and we need to install Cydia. Now Cydia has been successfully installed. Let me check that. There we go, we have the Cydia. When you open Cydia first time, it is gonna load all the sources and tweaks which are by default, and somewhere you will get update. Now you can see I don't have any tweak installed right now. We just installed Checkra1n. It doesn't matter if you install Uncover or Checkra1n, you only need a Cydia to get all the tweak backs. So let me show you. If you go to the setting, we don't have any tweak here installed. As you can see, setting is totally different and we are on stock mode right now, but we just jailbroken and we don't have anything else. So let me show you. If you go to the Cydia and if you go to the search, just search for Batchomatic, and there we go. When you see that, click on that and hit install and hit confirm. Go to Cydia again, because that tweak does not show on the home screen. You need to go to the Cydia, as I said earlier. Now that tweak has been installed somewhere here, as you can see in recent app, you can see that Batchomatic. And then when you go to the search option, as you can see that tweak is up here. Just click on that and there we go. We have that window. We did install already all the tweaks from this mobile .dev files, created offline and online both. Now we need to get that .dev files from this from that backup. So let me show you how you can get that. So once you see, as you can see here, install .dev. So if you click now, you don't get anything here. Your .dev is not currently installed. Go install with Fileza and try again. So now to get that, we need first Fileza. So first tweak we install Batchomatic, and then now we need Fileza. Fileza manager, as you can see on Big Boss itself there is a Fileza manager, but looks like that is paid one. Let me show you. Confirm and return to Cydia. There we go. Now as you can see, Fileza manager has been installed. Now click on it. If you go all the way back, and when you see this slash button, so that means you are all the way back. Now first go to the war folder, and in war you need to go to mobile. There we go. And if you scroll down, you will have that Batchomatic tape. Click on that. Now there we go. I just shown you earlier, we just took this backup. So now there we go. This backup is already available there because we didn't reformatted our device and all the backup was already there. There is also possibility that you can get from other device all the backup here in Fileza. You can drag that file. You can get that by airdrop, and you can install here, and you can get this all tweaks from here to this mobile. In order to install all the dev files, we need to go, already took the backup. This is offline backup, and this is online backup. So let me show you with the offline. So click on that. This window will pop up. That means you can extract or install. So you need to extract this file. Go ahead and install that files. Once you're done with the completion, click respring or done. It doesn't matter. Just click on respring and just say yes. Now head over to Cydia, open it, go to the search button and click on Batchomatic, and then as you can see, install.dev. Now if we click on this, you will definitely get that files which we just now installed and extracted. Now as you can see, install preferences, install host files, install saved.devs. This is what we need. We don't need to think about this. So as it is set up, we're gonna proceed. Just hit proceed. And there we go. It started backing up all the tweaks and sources which we earlier back up for on this device. So now it is restoring all the tweaks and sources on this device. I was using Checkra, that's why I connected to the computer. Without computer, you can install Uncover and you can jailbreak your device, and you can do this same process with Uncover too. So link will be in the description. Go ahead and check that out if you wanna use Uncover. So now as you can see, you have the window done successfully installed per .dev. So without doing any other setup, I'll just going to proceed this button, process without doing anything, and the device will respring. There we go. It is respring, and boom, we just have all the tweaks available. ZenHTML has been successfully installed because all the tweaks has been installed right now. As you can see, that little goose tweak which I installed. Now click on get started. Okay, next configuration, and there we go. We just have all the tweaks installed. As you can see, it's randomly respring because of we just shifted from iOS 13.2 to 13.5. Maybe some tweaks are there which are not working right now. To solve that issue, I'll just show you how to solve this problem. Now as you can see, we are in safe mode, and just simply say okay. Now all the tweaks will be there. As you can see, reprovision Dolphin OS which we earlier installed. So there will be definitely files are already installed. Now we already to get Batchomatic we have to install this FileJar. So this FileJar has been replaced right now because it has been installed twice, so there will be issue. I'll show you how to solve that problem. If you go to the Cydia, we need one tweak called iCleaner Pro. To get that tweak, we need to install one repo called Belenji Beta repo. If you wanna add one source, you just edit and just add and go ahead and add batch mode. Otherwise, you can just type it normal mode. So once you install this source, the link will be in the description. So once you install this, go to that tweaks, all tweaks, and as you can see iCleaner Pro, just click on that and hit install and confirm and just restart Springboard. Now once you install that tweak, as you can see we are in a safe mode. Go to the iCleaner Pro, as you can see here plus button, go to that and you have this Cydia Substrate add-ons. Now click on all. So all tweaks are off right now, and click apply and click yes. Now if you see, now we are in a jailbroken state. It doesn't matter, with the uncover also you can do that same way. As you can see, Cydia is working right now, so all the tweaks are working, but no tweaks are running, by the way. Why? Because of we off those all the tweaks. So when this work, if you have any tweaks and that is not shown here, means you will get that tweaks and it is not shown here, then you can off from here inside. You just click on that plus button, Cydia Substrate. Now when you see, for example, we will on one by one, those tweaks are working fine, and if you have any doubt about any tweaks, just don't on that tweak and we'll see one by one. I'll just keep cylinder, dismiss progress, and then I'll use flame, gesture 13, and iCleaner Pro, local IP store, shuffle, Springboard. So these are the tweaks I'll just keep initially. So let's say these are the, after enabling this tweak, if any error came, means if we are still going in the safe mode, so we need to off one by one whatever we are on right now. So now click on apply and click on yes. Now I believe we should not be in safe mode. So as you can see, all the tweaks are working till now smoothly. So let me go to the Cydia. So as you can see, everything is up to date right now and everything is working fine. So you get my point. Now if you go to the setting, and as you can see there is a tweak section, that is because of the shuffle tweak. We can shuffle these folders, very interesting tweak, you can download that. Now as you can see, these are the apps which are working perfectly. A few of the apps are not working, so which we off right now. Let's say any tweak we download and it is not showing here. Some of the tweaks don't show here, by the way. In that case, if you don't want that tweak and you want to delete that tweak, so there is an option. You just open the iCleaner Pro, go to the plus button, and you can go to the add-ons. There you can simply off that tweak. Whichever tweak you don't want, just go ahead and off that tweak and just apply it, particular tweak. So any single tweak if you don't want, and if you want to off that tweak but you just don't want to uninstall that, you just want to temporarily uninstall that tweak, so this is the best option that you can use, iCleaner Pro. Very useful tweak. All the tweaks are working, so go ahead and use this app. Hope you like this. And one more thing, you can clear all the junk from your mobile. If any tweaks are using unwanted junk and say any temporary files, this iCleaner Pro will clean all the stuff. So you have that clean button, click on that, clear all the junk. You got my point. So this tweak to solve all the issues, all the overlapping and all kind of stuff. So go ahead and use this. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section if this working for you. Very soon I'm going to make a video on initial tweaks that after jailbreaking, which tweaks are required. Stay tuned for that, and please subscribe my channel if you are new to here, and hit that bell icon to get notified. I'll catch you in the next video. This is Shivam signing off, and it's always peace.